You are now listening to
I try to call you, baby. Oh, baby. I'm home, baby. Alone, baby. Pick up the phone, baby. Oh, baby. I try to call, baby. I'm home, baby. Oh, baby.
How can she do that to me? Young Ndebele. Gangizo. Like, who was he? Who was that guy? And what is his business? How can she do that to me? I have to get to the bottom of this. She is not enough. She is not enough. She is not enough.
Brian, ukhetani noodles or vegetable soup?
Ngafuna amasoup akho.
What's the problem?
What's the problem? You're asking me what's the problem? Alright, let me tell you what's the problem since one more what. I decide to be a good boyfriend to you, and I take you out to an expensive restaurant with my money. You disrespect me.
Baby, yes, I loved it. Yes, especially
You disrespect me. What kind of woman fun in my presence? You wave. You flirt with him. Humiliating me in public.
Brian,
What is that?
Brian, we're saying flirting. He was a friend from school. We were not flirting.
Oh, if you were flirting, then what was it? Because I saw the way you looked at him. With affinity, with affection. So what was it feeling a flirt? What was it?
Brian, when was the last time you took your pills?
You think I'm sick, eh? Don't think you're cool, I mean. Equal.
No, that's not what I'm saying. That's not what I'm saying. All I'm saying is, your pills help you calm down.
Yeah, I'm fine. I don't need no pills. I'm fine, man. You're right, I'm fine, I'm fine. I don't need no pills. Yes.
Brian, baby, allow me to take the phone and call a doctor. I think you're having a mental breakdown. We sometimes get sick. Singabantu, it's okay.
Oh, I get what this is. I'm Ndebele language so you can live happily with your boyfriend without my interruption.
No, it's not. It's not. Brian, yehlisa umoya. Brian, we are need to.
No, don't be afraid. I'm not gonna hurt you. Huh? I love you. I'm not gonna hurt you. I'm just gonna fix you. I'm gonna fix that mind of yours that thinks I'm crazy.
Brian.
You're just like my mom.
Brian.
You both think I'm insane. She took me to a mental institution and I stayed there for some years and nobody came to visit me. Nobody came and it hurt my feelings.
Brian.
So I'm gonna fix you.
Brian.
I'm gonna fix you. I'm gonna So listen, I'm gonna ask you again. What is it? What is it? Is it I'm too short? I'm too tall? I'm too skinny for you? Or
No,
poor?
Brian.
Is the sex not good enough for you?
Brian, I love you. Only you, no one else.
I love you, only you, nobody else. Huh? I'm gonna give her a time, huh?
No.
So let me fix you.
Help! Help!
And upstairs, so stop wasting your energy. Stop wasting your energy.
Brian, ngiyacela sho sendo sami. Ngicela yehlisa umoya. Uyangithusa.
I'm not gonna hurt you.
No. Ngiyacela, Brian.
I'm not gonna hurt you. Lisa! Ungaphi? Lisa, where are you? Ah! Ah!
Hello? There's a dead man. 50 Albon Street.
me your love, babe. We ain't gotta end all of this, babe. But all that you say that hurt you, yeah. Yeah, I'm sorry, baby. I've been trying to hustle up, babe. I've been trying to stand up, babe. For your love, for us, babe. I've been trying to be the man, babe. Answer my call and my text, please. Am I not trying enough, my love? Am I not doing enough, my love? Crying for love, crying for love.